ingredients you need for 갈비찜. So now we're going to make the basic marinade for the galbi찜. Most important is the soy sauce, Asian pear, chopped green onions, minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, agave, or you can use sugar instead, a little bit of brown pepper, and let it sit for a few minutes. Actually, in making the marinade, it's always best to taste it after a few minutes when all the sauces have been mingled and settled together, rather than tasting it right away. Take it out. Medium heat for about 30 minutes. Chestnuts and the ginkgo nuts. Ooh, look at that. Looks wonderful. Okay. Today I made 갈비찜. One of your favorite.
Yes.
So I want you to try it and give me your honest opinion. Okay.
Okay. Very good. Excellent.
So think of today as your birthday.